Hello, welcome to the We Are Searching YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook account on Facebook app step by step. First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Tap on Create a Facebook account at the bottom of the page. Tap on Next button to begin creating a Facebook account. First of all, you decide to the name and surname you will use on Facebook. Then tap on Next button to continue. After that, you write your birthday date. Then tap on Next button again. Here you choose your gender from the options that appear in front of you. After that, you write your phone number to continue. Then tap on the Next button again. Here's the very important part. You decide your password for your Facebook account here. After that, your account is created. However, in order for your account to be approved, you need to write the confirmation code you received on your phone in the section that appears in front of you. Thus, your Facebook account creation process is completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment, and click the bell for new videos.